Welcome to the Lofts of Westmount, a brand new collection of contemporary townhomes in an ideal location. Hi, I'm Sabrina Ledoux with the MacIntosh Group at Remax River City, and we sell homes in Edmonton and Sherwood Park. And if you are looking for modern comfort and convenience, then I can't wait to show you. Let's go take a look. With over 1,800 square feet of living space spanning 3 stories with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. Each unit at the Lofts of Westmount includes a high-efficiency furnace and tankless hot water system, as well as its own single-car garage, providing secure parking and additional storage space. Main floor with 9-foot ceilings, a huge island in the kitchen, and quartz counters. Stainless steel appliances and stand-up pantry with rear eating area overlooking the back deck. Staircase with glass railing to the second level with 2 bedrooms, both with walk-in closets, and a full 5-piece bathroom with full luxury laundry room. The third level is dedicated to a spacious owner's suite, providing a private retreat that features a generously sized bedroom and a luxurious 5-piece bathroom. This level offers a peaceful haven where you can unwind and relax after a long day. The Lofts of Westmount present an exceptional opportunity to own a brand new contemporary townhome in a sought-after location, close to all amenities, transportation, and minutes from downtown. Don't miss out on the chance to make one of these homes your own, and give us a call direct at 780-464-0075 or catch us online at macintoshgroup.ca. Thanks for watching.